Hi, good morning everyone. In this video, I do like to briefly share with you the most important points about dishwashers. Choosing excellent dishwashers capsules. Use high quality capsules to ensure the best cleaning results. Properly arranging dishes and cups. Place the dishes and cups parallel to the racks to ensure water reaches all surfaces. Using the economic program, choose the economic program to save water and electricity. After about 4 hours and after making sure the drying process is complete, look at the beauty of the dishes and cups, how clean and shiny they look. Wow! Did you like this video? How much do you love and admire your dishwasher? If you liked the video, press like. Hope you support me. Likes and follows. Bye bye.